near the Noakhali. We are heading towards Waterfall waterfall right now. Hope we can see that. Heard that that was one of the beautiful waterfalls in Meghalaya. Waterfall. There is no more clouds as of now. Oh, and we have reached.
No.
Oh, it's an off-roading track, right? Off-roading patch. Reached the starting point of Waisudang waterfall. It's very famous and it's very good. This is the point from where we have to start the trek. We have to do a trek of near about 15-20 minutes and we have to go down. And it's full of clouds. To Waisudang waterfall, we have to do a trek. That's I already said. That's the trek. It's steep, yeah. It's a bit steep. For sure, it's a bit steep. Risky, it's a bit risky, yeah. I suggest कि old age people, pregnant women don't come here. It's too steep and it's very muddy and shabby as well. With the Waisudang waterfall, and now we are going back.